The extreme sports drink ruined my teeth!
Let us rewind. How did this epic match begin? Maximum energy for the big game.
They are sidelined.
We have a code green. Prepare the ultimate
Here's Skye, reporting for the main event.
This slime has an impenetrable defense formation.
But the slime was stronger than they thought. It deflected my opening strike. What is this stuff?
Impossible! The green slime barrier is too strong! Am I benched forever?
We have to use the forbidden technique.
No! Do it! Do it for the championship!
Will this epic combo break the defense?
Speed!
This is fine.
Ecto Gold! Liquid Barrage and...
Victory Screech!
The defense.
I am back in...
Win! Flawless victory for the Dental Champions!
Wildest match ever! Like and subscribe for more epic...
My tummy is doing flips!
I'm out of here.
These heroes end up in the med bay. Let us rewind 2 hours.
Let us bake the biggest cake.
Whoa! I am good! Achoo! I can...
Imagination.
The batter. Yikes! Oh, too fast!
Did not know the oven was already on.
Perfect! That does not smell right. Extra crispy.
Frosting fixes everything.
Bleh.
That was not frosting. That was spicy mustard.
My tummy.
Cooking again. I am never cooking.
Oh my God!
Next time, we read the recipe.
Says, teamwork makes the dream work, but maybe not. Oops, still clumsy. That cake was a total disaster. Hit subscribe if you love baking safely. I can't believe we lost her. We were supposed to be eating a giant...
You're probably wondering how these brave pups ended up in the trash. We are the best pet sitters in the world.
Yeah, this little kitty coming through. Famous last words, Mark. No. Bad bad kitty. The floor is getting all messy.
I look like a ghost dog.
Got her. Wait, nope, I'm a puppery.
This is fine.
Oh! Oh, the tiny terror has breached the perimeter. Paw Patrol is on a roll. We have to catch that kitty before she ruins the I'm okay.
This kitty is part squirrel and part...
She went in there. It looks pretty messy.
Whoa! Ooh!
Oof, that's gonna leave a...
Oh no! Is this the end of their babysitting career? Goodbye, sweet roasted turkey! I can almost smell you!
Wait! Do you guys hear that? Paw Patrol, we have a rescue to make. No job is too big, no pup is too small. I see her. She's stuck at the bottom.
Little troublemaker, safe and sound.
Always
Shut up and take my money.
sitting Bob ever.
Huge. If you love teamwork and big feasts, hit that like and subscribe button right now. I can't breathe. You guys look like giant bounce. Oh no, the electronic lock is broken. We're stuck. Well, if we're locked in, let's get our energy up with this super muscle smoothie. Whoa. That wasn't a muscle smoothie. I feel incredibly... What happened to you two?
Ooh, oh, you look like you swallowed gym balls.
My center of gravity is completely gone.
Come on, just one little lift. Nope, drop.
Guys, be careful. You're going too fast.
Make it stop!
I know of a place.
This is the funniest workout I've ever seen. A little help here, Image 3? I can't roll over.
Hang on, I've got you.
Oh, thank goodness.
Guess my bump makes squats perfectly safe.
It's getting late. We really need to break this door open.
Need a better plan, our bumps are too big.
Wait a minute. Your bellies are incredibly bouncy. Let's use them to bounce through that. Bounce your bellies against the door. The force will pop it open.
Knows nothing! Brace yourselves! Belly bash power!
You did it! You're
The smoothie magic wore off.
That was exhausting!
Look! I can finally lift it without my bump getting in the...
I'm proud of you guys, but please, no more.
If you loved our funny escape, smash that like button. The baby is coming, and it's freezing out here! Don't panic! I'm a firefighter! Wait, I need a doctor! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's rewind. How did our favorite pups end up in this icy panic?
Thanks for helping me get my pregnancy cravings, guys. I need ALL the pickles.
You're 3,000! I bet I can reach the end of the aisle before you, Slowpoke. Oh, you are ON, Chase! Fire pups are the fastest! Ooh. Jelly Boy's up to now? Didn't see the ultimate hazard. I'm flying! The display! Oh, wait! Oh my!
Guys, the laughing the baby, it's coming now!
Surgency! We need a hospital!
I'll drive. Wait, no.
Square Hospital in time? That was a close one.
Imagination.
Oof! I can't waddle any further.
Don't sneeze! Medics, bring the super stretcher! Move!
Oh, wow! This is actually real.
Oops, I guess I accidentally bought this.
Imagination.
Time we go to the supermarket, NO Racing.
Agreed. Racing is bad for my heart.
The crazy supermarket trip ended with the best surprise of all. Remember, kids, safety first in the aisle.
Wow, that was a wild delivery. If you laughed at my supermarket slip, smash that like button and subscribe. Oh no! Oh, I broke Ryder's new robotic worm toy. I was just trying to see how fast it could spin. Marshall is coming. I have to hide this fast. Gulp.
Yeah. Oh, go brain.
Deep. My tummy feels funny.
Whoa, Chase. Did you eat a whole watermelon? Whole watermelon?
The very crunchy, glowing watermelon. Nothing to see here.
Watermelon.
Skye, we have an emergency. Chase it.
I am fine. It's just a tummy ache.
Let's take a look.
Yep. It's tickling. Commencing ultrasound scan.
Gasp! I don't believe.
Is that Ryder's robot worm?
Whoa! Oh
Chase, did you swallow a toy to hide it?
no! Hiccup. I'm sorry. Hiccup. I was afraid I'd be in.
Where? The worm is escaping!
Nice.
Heave! Ho! Let's get this out of there.
I know of a place.
Ah.
Chase, you know you shouldn't eat toys. But more importantly, you shouldn't hide your mistake.
More hiding things.
Especially in my tummy. Always tell the truth, guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time!
Just yell for help.
Please, no!
And read the labels.
Ooh, a neon jelly bean. Zuma is on a snack roll, dudes.
Gulp! That was a spicy one.
Oh, that bean went to the wrong room. My tail feels like a rocket.
Whoa! I am a hover pup for real now. Time to find Rocky.
Almost finished. The lookout will be sparkling today.
Take the gas storm! Green. Does N-A-teen mean go?
This pup's gotta fly away from that smell. Skippity! I am a rocket it, pup! Mission. Air freshener is a success. Zuma, no more beans for a month. Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help!
I think I still have a little gas left in the tank. I am never going to smell the same again. Prank ever. That was the best prank ever.
The air quality is returning to normal levels.
Is it safe to breathe yet? A red bean? I wonder what this one does.
Not so fast, Zuma. No more mystery snacks.
I guess this is my new look.
I feel so light, I could float away.
Rocky, you look like a troll doll.
What a day. I am ready for a nap.
Remember, stay cool and stay faith.
Pawpatrol is on a roll. Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help.
This mist smells like old socks and magic.
Bones. Brains.
Hungry for snacks. My spy senses are tingling. Something is definitely not right. H. Marshall, you have turned into a zompup.
Easy, buddy.
I am a pup, not a snack.
Stay
Back.
His drool is toxic.
Ryder, anyone, help me. The pack is back and they are hungry. Marshall has infected the lookout. This is a Code Z emergency.
This pup has got to fly and de-zombify.
Good boy, Marshall. Please be a good boy. Antidote deployed. Feel the power of veggies.
Whew. I had the weirdest dream about wanting to bite your hat, Chase.
Whenever you are in trouble, just yelp for help. And stay away from green mist. I think I will stick to the upstairs from now on.
All clean and ready for the next mission. The chemical composition is neutralized. We are safe.
Still got the moves. No zombie can get past this.
Sorry about the door, Ryder.
I was not myself.
You cannot catch me, Skye. Everyone say cheese.
There is a monster at the bottom! Wait! Stop the rats! There is a monster at...
Let's rewind 5 minutes. Image 1 misunderstood a very important detail. Okay, puppy, here's what
The lifeguards say the slide was a monster, meaning it was big.
Oh! The triple gem slides are gonna be epic.
I have to save them from the beast!